In a residence hall, far, far from WAG, students entered the building, passing by a very enthusiastic desk receptionist, and noticed he wasn't a desk receptionist. They sat in their room talking about their Halloween plans when one of them revealed that they may want to be a cat and was warned that that would be too basic when they got this text message. The cat chased them everywhere, whether it was in the hallway, on the elevator, or down the stairs. It ran through the hallways, tearing down papers and tearing through souls. Critics are giving this movie rave reviews. Even in the elevator, they couldn't escape the cat. They thought they were safe, but there it was. Even in the laundry room, this boy thought he could do his laundry. Boy, was he mistaken. Even families are loving this movie. You can't do your makeup before going out because the cat is watching you. Even when you try to go to sleep at night, you think you're safe. They say, sweet dreams. Those dreams are not very sweet now, are they? Some people don't quite understand the movie, but that's because they haven't seen it. At the end of the day, they were so tired, they fell asleep. One of their friends suggested she'd be a cat for Halloween. Friends don't let friends go as cats for Halloween.